this mic. So the first one is a mic, the MPM1000. It is a XLR microphone from this brand called Maphen something, and I also got a XLR interface too. You can see XLR interface right there. Yeah. So let's open this. When you open the package, you get the microphone itself, XLR cable, looks like a pop filter, and the connector itself, the little sock mount. So right now I will get rid of that mic over there, and I will put this new mount on. So basically, a shock mount basically prevents shocks from going in your desk. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this XLR connector out, and if take it out, took it out. Now I'm gonna unscrew this right here. I'm gonna unscrew this until it comes off. I hope it's not like my other one, which I failed, and the mic just fell on my short. Okay, so we got the mic. Okay, so I got the mic thing installed in the arm. I had to use the adapter because the tray was too small. So here's the mic. It is only one direction, so you can only get it from one direction. So yeah. So I'm gonna put this on the microphone. You basically here's how you do it. So you just put it inside and you squeeze this thing. You squeeze it so it can hold it tight. And yeah, but it's best to put it like this. Time for this XLR interface. Basically just an XLR interface. Plug in your XLR cable and basically plug it into your computer, and then you can basically control your games, yell at people and stuff. So basically you just plug the XLR cable into that thing right there, that little black piece with the little three triangles. Then you plug it into your computer, and then it will plug in, and then you control your volume and yell at your teammates. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. Okay, some key features about this. Your XLR interface is right here, and this is your gain control your gain. And this is this XLR right in the back called MIDI is for your musical instrument, and there you can monitor your microphone. And there we've plugged in the USB, which is the micro USB. That's going for cable, so don't you worry. So now I'm gonna put this, I don't know, then plug the XLR. So basically, you plug the XLR into here, into this that says mic input, into one of these, and then you plug a USB from here to your computer, and I guess you can control. It's already there. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do it right now. So I'll be right back. So basically, when I got it plugged in. So I got it hooked up. I got the microphone hooked up. Now I'm gonna hook up the actual interface to the computer. So basically, you go in the back and you plug this end into this right here. Okay, I got it plugged in into the output, and that runs down to my computer. So basically, the sound. Basically, once you get plugged it in, you have to go to their website, and this says that it's supposed to plug into USB 2.0, but I actually plugged it into 3.0 for some reason. I'm guessing because of phantom power. So there's a phantom power, the switch right here, on, off, and there's also, you can control your gain, and also your headphone volume, and this is your power indicator. So once you install the software, you will get this program called Universal Control. Basically, when you open it up, I already have it opened up. So when you open it up and you have all the devices connected to it, it would say stuff like your sample rate and yeah. So basically, it basically gives you no control, but basically you can control your microphone, and if you want the quality of the microphone how the microphone sounds. I'll test it out right now. Hey, this is the test on the NPM 1000 microphone. I am not using the pop filter. I am on plus 2% gain on the XLR interface. And I can lower it, and here is negative 30 decibels. As you can see, you can barely hear me. And now this is now plus 30. This is plus 30. That is way too loud. And we're back to normal. And this is, so the pop filter, what it does is that it basically clears out any pops. And yeah, so here is it with the pop filter on. As you can see, much better quality. And there is like if I do this, like if I do this to the mic. So right now I'm using no pop filter, and I'm gonna put the gain up to plus 30. So here I go. Okay, and now I'm gonna put the pop filter on plus 30. So as you can tell, much better sound quality. Yeah, and if you want to know how to get this microphone, it will be linked in the description below. Also with the XLR interface too. And yeah, and this microphone XLR interface does have plus 48 volts for phantom power. So if I like turn it off, my voice would get softer and softer and softer because it would turn off the mic. So yeah, that is the microphone quality for you. I hope you enjoyed this mic quality test, and yeah, I'll hand it back to my camera. So I just tested the microphone quality, and it's actually sounding pretty good, actually. It works good, so that's pretty good. Yeah, that'll be it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching, and be tuned into my other parts. Link in the description below. Thank you.